Hi, this is Hugh from the Mini and BMW Specialist. I'd like to show you our redeveloped website. So let me show you how this works. This is a car I found in Auto Trader. So let's type the registration number in here, and what should happen is it should take you straight to the page relevant to that vehicle, and it does. Here we have a BMW 330e, and here are all the service costs, and we can select the services we want. Let's have a bronze service and an MOT and book, and fill in the details, and you'll get a booking confirmation. That's all well and good. Now, sometimes we don't get the exact model that we're after, and this is down to the DVLA data. So if I show you the data from this car, which is the 330e, when it pulls back the data, we get the actual model, 330e X-Drive. This is also a 330, it's a 330i, a bit older one, and when we put the registration number in for there, which is LT57BYA, and do a lookup, all we get now is the model is a 3 Series. So when we go to our lookup page and try that, my website cannot tell what particular 3 Series it is, so it just gives you a choice, so then you can choose yourself, and then you can carry on and book as before. I want to end by boasting a little bit. I've managed to get on first page of Google for quite a few searches that I think people might make when searching for BMW servicing. So let me show you. If I type in BMW 3 Series service costs and search with Google, then you get all of these sponsored things. That's pay-per-click. And then you get Quick Fit, major brand, Clip Mechanic, major brand, BMW, major brand, another sponsored, and then us. Now that's a major achievement. We're a very small independent. And the other thing I'm very pleased with is we're getting mentioned here by Google in the AI overview. And that's actually true for a number of different models as well. So if I do this one, see we've been mentioned here, the BMW Mini Specialist for our silver service, for our fixed price servicing. Then we've got a sponsored, another sponsored, another sponsored. We've got BMW itself, and then us. So twice, in fact. I think that's a hell of an achievement.